Vanakkam friends, welcome back to our channel. Let's discuss about the forecast of Nifty for tomorrow, that is Thursday, weekly expiry day. Before even going into the video, members who are seeing this video for the first time, please do subscribe and stay connected to our channel. Also feel free to share it to your friends or relatives, whoever is interested in markets. Now we will move on to the analysis part. I have opened Nifty charts on daily time frame. Same chart which we have discussed today morning. Like we expected, it went down below the lower end of the wedge and then came back and closed above the level. Now what we can expect is probably tomorrow we can drop down, test this area, test this zone, and then move back again to test the higher end of the range. There are two probabilities. This is the first one. The second one, it may open with a small gap up and directly move towards the higher end of the range. These are the two probabilities. So if you ask me what is the support for Nifty, today's low, that is 19333, will be the support. And I expect in coming days this 100 SMA to be tested at some point in time, because only then the move will be little bit fast on the higher side, or else it will be little bit choppy, like it will move 100 points higher and then come back 150 points down, maybe another 100 points on the next day. Likewise it will be moving, or else it needs to break out above the higher end of the wedge and close above it. So on any case, there are two probabilities in each scenario, which can be used as trading opportunities. So since you all know that I will always play on the upside of the markets, I will look for supports to take good positions on time. When today also, when Nifty dropped, we suggested to take Nifty futures, and we have booked around 50 points profit over there, and couple of other calls also we have booked. So support will be like 19333 and the resistance will be at 19500, which is the first immediate resistance, and thereafter we may try to attempt to test the upper end of this line. If you want some exact levels, I can even give it to you, probably 19566. Let's see whether this syncs with the option chain data. This is the option chain data of Nifty. I'm sorry guys, I'm having very bad throat. You need to manage with me. Okay, this is the option chain, and over here, just a moment, I will close this thing. Because of this, you are getting multiple notifications over there. Okay, right. This is the option chain data. On the right corner, puts the highest open interest is there at 19400. So 19400, the premium is 31 rupees. So if you reduce 31 points from 19400, it will be like 19370. That becomes your support. We have, as per charts, we have mentioned yesterday's low as support, that is, I mean today's low as support, that is 19333. So first support will be like 19370, and then the second support will be like 19333. And similar way, on the higher side, we have highest open interest at this particular zone, 19600, and over there the premium will be like, premium is like 5.60, which means if you add 19600 plus this 5.6 points, maybe even 6 points, it will be like 19606. 19606 will be the resistance. So you need to play this range accordingly. If you are not able to play the ranges, better stay away. Once the expiry move is done, after that, if you get a clear trend, you may initiate fresh trades. So this is for Nifty. And the trend, broader trend, like immediate trend which we are seeing right now is like on the downside. So generally speaking, you need to see the open interest figure over here, this one, and then this one. If we are seeing a higher number over here in puts, then the trend is on the upside. If we are seeing higher number on the call side, then the trend is downside. This is the simple fact which I used to read markets. Okay, let's move on to bank nifty. This is bank nifty charts on same daily time frame. And we have taken support at 43,860 odd zones today, which means this particular area 43,830 probably it can be considered as a double bottom for bank nifty at present situation. But according to me, I will be comfortable in initiating strong longs if it falls further and come towards this zone like 43,600 zones. I'll be very much comfortable initiating strong longs over there, and maybe even add it when it comes to test near the 200 simple moving average, which is at 43,100 zones. So this will not remain same as days progress. This 200 moving average will rise slowly, and somehow this could come slowly on the downside. At one point in time, they both will coincide. I'm not sure when it will happen, but it will happen in coming days. If you see Nifty's, Bank Nifty's move today, it was HDFC Bank, the one which has fought for the bulls. All the other components of Bank Nifty have cracked today, including ICICI Bank, State Bank, Axis, IndusInd, Kotak, everything like Can Bank, etc. The only thing which fought for bulls was HDFC Bank. That too because of the quarterly business update which they provided today morning. We are not sure whether that move will sustain or not. Generally speaking, news based moves will get fizzled out within 2 or 3 days time. If that is the scenario, it will slowly grind, and then this 200 moving average will come somewhere near 43,400 or 43,500 zones. Over there, these both levels will sink, and then we will have a strong up move on the bank nifty towards 46,000 again, right? This is for bank nifty. And nifty, I have forgot to tell you one thing. This candlestick, generally speaking, we used to call it as hammer. The characteristic of hammer is like when it forms at the bottom of a downtrend, it is an indication that trend is going to reverse. Same way, if it forms at the higher end when there is in the bull market scenario, it means the trend is going to reverse. So that's how we need to read markets. So let's see if our reading is correct. If there is any fall, we will take support again here at this lower end of the trending line, and then climb up to hit the higher end of the zone. Since it is expiry day tomorrow, please play cautious, don't be very aggressive. Barring that, I have nothing to say. Stay connected in our Telegram channel. Live calls as well as live updates during market hours will be posted on time as and when it is required. Have a good day, friends. See you all in the next video. Bye for now.